I am, look at the ends, like curl, 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 curl straight. What is this? Hey babies, and welcome to yet again another video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so because we are lit over here. Okay girl? Okay, so basically girl, I'm just gonna hop into the video because I am upset. I am just really upset. Okay, so this is gonna be like a little rant, story time, wig review. Y'all know what to do. Okay, so let me just start from the basics. Please disregard that noise y'all hear. That sounds like thunder. I've literally had people on my roof since 6 a.m. this morning and I'm so tired because I haven't gotten no sleep. Okay, no sleep. So about this company, well, let me start from the beginning. Okay, so as y'all know, I do my natural hair pretty much. Between passion twist, box braids, and my natural hair, I really don't do anything else to my hair, right? So I recently got my hair straightened and I did get a little damage from that, and I mean, I like the way it looked. Like, the girl, she did an amazing job, but I really wanted like a more luxurious look. So I am a beginner. Like, if I was to get hair, I am a beginner, a novice, so I really don't know what I'm looking for, what I'm supposed to be looking for, what I'm doing. So when buying hair, I'm literally just looking at, I guess, the texture, the density, the length, and the price. So originally I was looking for hair bundles, but I started doing some more research and I realized that hair bundles really wasn't my cup of tea. My scalp does tend to get itchy a lot, and I just couldn't keep hair in my head for such a long period of time. And I also felt like if I was to get a sew-in, then it would just be a waste of money because I would spend about $100 to $200 on hair, and then I would have to take it out and wouldn't be able to reuse it. So I was like, that's not the most, that doesn't make the most economic sense. So I started looking into wigs, and I noticed lots of people became like really into wigs. Like, wigs started trending, this and that. If you don't already know, I did already purchase a wig, I guess, previously, before lace fronts and wigs started trending, I guess. Like, I did purchase a wig and I didn't really care for it. It made me feel uncomfortable and it made my head itch. After that, I just stopped using wigs in general and just started doing my hair myself. But like I said, I did want a new look. I didn't really see anything about how wigs were damaging to your hair. It seemed easy to install. They were reusable, so I was like, okay, this is perfect. This is perfect, sis. I want a wig. Okay, so I started looking at companies. I started looking on YouTube of other YouTubers using like Unice, UNICE hair, Icy hair, Nadia hair. So I was looking at so many companies. Okay, girl, but I am a beginner. Okay, I did not want to spend $200 on hair that I wouldn't even know if I liked, for real, you know. So I came across this one company, and this company is called Cici Wigs. Okay, girl, or Cici Hair, Cici Wigs. I've looked it up, and they have like a billion names for that one company, girl. Okay, so I look it up, and I'm like, okay, like, I'm scrolling the page, I'm like, they got some good deals. Like, what? Like, because I was seeing wigs for like 100, like, depending on, you know, the length, because I was looking for a 16-inch wig. So yeah, depending on the length, I was just like, okay, this is some good prices. Like, they had wigs for like $80, $60, $30, and I was looking at the reviews, and the reviews were pretty great. Like, girl, let me just insert some clips because the reviews were phenomenal. Okay, girl, and I don't know, like, in the back of my head, I was like, this company may be a scam. But as y'all know, like, I am a beginner, so I didn't really, you know, think about that at the time. Girl, I was just trying to find some hair. Okay, so I was going through the page. I was like, okay, this is some great hair. I want this one, I want that one, I want that, I want that, I want that. You get a wig, I get a wig, we all get wigs. Because, girl, that hair was cheap. Okay, dead cheap. Cheap. I think the wig I got was like $18, and with shipping and all of that stuff, it ended up being $30. So I mean, in the back of my head, I was like, this is real cheap. And I'm like, something may be wrong with it, but, you know, like, on the thing, it looked like they were just having a good deal. Like, it was like I think the original price was like $80, and they marked it out and they put like 30 on the side of it, or 18. I forgot how much it was, but I'll just insert the picture. But it was below $30. So I was like, oh my god, this is a great deal. Like, I'm a beginner, I don't want to spend hella money on hair, so this is just perfect. So I just want to see, like, at that point I just wanted to see how I'd like it and if I could really adjust the wigs before purchasing a more, I guess, luxurious type of wig. Okay, so little did I know, I did not know what I was getting myself into. Okay girl, so I purchased a water wave 16-inch Brazilian hair. Okay, I looked at the pictures looked a little, you know, photoshopped, or I've seen these pictures elsewhere, and I'm just like, you know what, maybe, you know, maybe this is the hair, because I mean all the pictures look similar, and I'm just like, maybe this is the hair. I looked back at the reviews, people had pictures of the hair and the hair looked phenomenal. Sorry guys, my timer just went off, but the pictures of the hair looked phenomenal in the reviews. So all in all, I ended up buying the hair, and it wasn't until afterwards that I decided to do the research. Okay, so y'all, I was looking on the reviews, okay, because they had like 400 something reviews and they were all phenomenal. And I don't know if y'all know this, but when the company has too many good reviews, then something is sketchy, okay sis, because there's always going to be somebody that just doesn't like the product. But the whole company just had amazing reviews, hands down, 4.5 stars. I'm just over here like, this sounds a little sketch. So some people within the reviews left their Instagram, so I ended up DMing like 2 females, and they were like, and I was just asking them, I can just insert the pictures, and I was asking them like, is this the hair you purchased? I noticed that you really liked it. Could you please give me an update on the hair, this and that? And they basically responded to me saying that that wasn't their review. The couple stole their review from a different website. And in my head, I'm just like, oh my gosh. So after that, girl, I went to YouTube. I looked up CC hair, and girl, I saw like scam, fraud, scam. And in my head, I was so hurt. I was like, what is this company doing? Like, I thought this was a legitimate company. Like, OMGG. Like, I know you got to be careful with companies overseas, but we basically get everything overseas, so why would this even be an issue? So I was just so hurt. I was like, oh my god, I was really looking forward to some hair. But like throughout all of the reviews, I did see like 2 good ones, I guess. And so I did have a little bit of faith that the hair was gonna come and be amazing. But girl, let me tell you, it wasn't. Okay girl, look at this. So I bought the hair about 2 weeks ago. It just came today, and oops, it fell out the pack. So girl, it came in this bag, okay, and this bag, and in this bag it had this bag. You know, it was like this package that they keep bread and hair in. Okay girl, I was like, the ghetto, okay. So the hair, here's the hair. Does this look like some water wave 16-inch hair to you? It does not, okay girl. Look at this. So literally, look at the hair. This is not no water wave Brazilian nothing, okay? This is not 16 inches. Look at the ends, girl. Look at the ends. Look at the ends. Because girl, I'm looking at it and I hate it. I don't like the way it look. I don't like the way it smell. This is not no 16 inches. I don't know what this is. The density is too thick, girl. Because I tried to know. And let me just insert a picture of me trying to know, okay? Because girl, I'm speechless. I have no words. I'm upset. I mean, girl, it might as well just be my fault. Why would hair be $18? I mean, you get what you pay for. You get what you pay for. But if that's the case, then don't put up false advertisements of your business and of the hair, you know? So, y'all, where is the lace? Where is the 13 times 6 lace? Where is it at? Where is it at? Because I don't see any lace. This is literally plastic, y'all. Plastic. Look, plastic, y'all. This wig cap don't even fit in my head. Like, they have the strings right here, and y'all, this doesn't even fit on my head. Like, I am so, girl, where is the lace? Where is the lace? No lace. They could at least put some lace in here to make it look legitimate, you know? It's already not the texture. I got freaking hair shitting all over my floor. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the ends. Like, curl, 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 curl straight. What is this? Girl. When I tell y'all that I was so upset. I was really upset, okay? It wasn't about the money issue. I ended up calling my bank, and I ended up doing I forgot what it's called, a dispute. I ended up filing a dispute, and I got my money back. I did email the company. I was like, what are y'all doing? This is a fraud. I am upset. I want my money back, okay, sis? Girl, I just want to save y'all from buying this company's hair, okay? I don't care how cheap the hair is. You might as well just, you know, buy hair from a great, amazing reviewed website. Do your research before you even purchase the hair. With me, y'all know I am a research fiend. Excuse my voice, y'all. I don't know what's going on, but I am a research fiend. I do research literally on everything. With this company, I was just so happy that the hair was so cheap. I bought this, which I have no words. I have no words. Like, I was supposed to be looking cute, girl, lace front, laid, you know, but no, I got this. What am I supposed to do with these? And in my head for a second, I was like, maybe I could pluck it a little bit, put my concealer on it, but no, girl, no, not even worth it. Not even worth it, okay, girl? So yeah, I just want to save y'all from the trouble of even buying hair, looking at this website, even considering buying hair from this place, because they are absolutely fraudulent. So yeah, if nobody didn't tell you before, girl, I am telling you now, do not buy hair. Cici Wigs, do not purchase hair from them. Y'all, like, look at these. I have no words. But with that whole rant, y'all, please just don't always focus on the price. Look at the quality of the hair, look at the reviews of the hair, message people about the hair, look on YouTube about the hair, because y'all, some of these companies are really out to get money from these African American women. So y'all, please just do your research on your hair, know what you're getting yourself into, sis, because this, never again. The good thing about this is that you live and you learn your lessons and you grow from it, and that's all that matters. It was only $30, so thank God I didn't spend an arm and a leg buying, I guess, 100 wigs from this company. And it's like, girl, yeah. But you know, after this whole rant, I just want y'all to know that I love every single one of you. Please have a blessed morning, noon, or night, and I will get back in with y'all soon, and I will make another video for y'all soon. So yeah.